I've always really been into art. Drawing, sculpting, things like that were just second nature to me as a kid. Every time I see a finished car that I thought about or I came up with on a piece of paper, it's just an amazing feeling to know that something that's in my brain is now in the actual world. My name is Kaleb Zarang from Built Official. It's a YouTube channel for regular people who want to customize and build their very own cars in their driveways, garages, really wherever they can. When I was 15, my uncle sold me my first car for $1, and me and my dad spent the next 6 months every single weekend building this car in our garage. Sometimes it was really fun, sometimes it was really miserable. We really built a strong relationship that has carried on today. After finishing up the kit car, I realized something about myself, and that was that I enjoy building cars more than I actually enjoy driving them. Growing up, my parents were always giving. It's something that they taught me from a really young age, and it was kind of this realization, every time you give, it feels better than just getting. So I had this BMW that I've been working on for months, and I finally got it back to pretty good condition, and it was time to sell. And we got a call one day from someone that was interested in the car, and we found out that the numbers had been mixed up and they called the wrong person, and the car they were looking for was a $1,000 car. Mine was $5,000. She was the first from her family to go to college, and she really needed a way to get there. I just felt like I needed to give this girl the car. She was crying, our mom was crying, lots of hugging, and I think that might be kind of what set me into this motion of giving cars away. Every time someone drives away in a car that I gave them, it's the same feeling, that I was able to provide something to them that they really needed. It's kind of addicting, honestly. After work, I would go home and build cars, and I kind of got tired of doing it by myself, so I started posting it online. As I posted, people responded. People that really wanted to work on their cars but felt too intimidated or felt like it was too expensive or whatever it might have been. My kids love cars, my oldest especially. He loves it. He lays on me while I'm working on cars, he helps me, sometimes he scratches my cars with screwdrivers. Probably the most important lesson my dad taught me was that doing what you love is way more important than making a lot of money, and I want to instill that in my kids as well. I'm buying cars on an absolute budget, and I see them in their worst shape ever, and that shape is a result of a lack of maintenance. So maintenance is key to keeping your car running well, specifically preventative maintenance. I actually put a bottle of Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner in my very first car that I bought for $1. My dad and I went to the store and bought some Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner, put it in there, and drove the car for several hours to clean out the fuel system. The reason I keep using Techron is because it keeps working for me. It's backed by Chevron and Chevron science, and I trust that. So as the channel has grown and as we've gotten more cars and done more builds, Techron has given me the peace of mind to know that when that car goes to the next owner, when we give a car away, it's gonna work, and it's gonna work for a long time.